Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. Here we have this nice little Volvo tandem axle dump truck. I guess I didn't realize how close I was to those lines, but I'm glad I stopped. Anyways. This truck has a nice air gate on it. Good rubber all the way around it. The frame is super clean, super clean. Double frame, real nice dump truck. Has a toolbox, your hydraulic oil tank. All right, folks, this truck does have a Jake brake, Caterpillar engine, 8-speed transmission. It's as clean as I've seen as a dump truck inside. It will be sold on the 11th of May. It's located here in Miles City, Montana. Thanks for looking.